Let's talk about a hidden update that is completely changing the math for long-term AI projects. Most people think NotebookLM is just a simple app for making study guides, but it's actually becoming something much more powerful. In this explainer, we're looking at a brand new tool inside Gemini. It can read your deep research and build working dashboards from it, all without you having to write a single line of code. So, what exactly happened? In April 2026, a massive shift occurred in how these Google platforms communicate. Because of this update, you no longer have to re-explain your entire project from scratch every time you switch from deep research to drafting a proposal. The system now simply remembers your context. The core idea we're exploring today is a tale of two systems. On one side, you have a research vault. This vault perfectly preserves your deep, complex study materials. On the other side, you have a dynamic engine. This engine actually executes tasks and builds working tools using that exact knowledge you saved. Now, you might be wondering how this actually works. Google just added a dedicated notebook section right into the Gemini's side panel. These act as persistent project workspaces. What that means is your AI assistant now has continuous read access to every single file you upload there. This setup creates a constant two-way sync. Any source file you add inside Gemini appears immediately over a NotebookLM, and it works exactly the same way in reverse. The synchronization is instant, seamless, and perfectly links your workspaces together. Let's look at a concrete example of this in action. Say you upload some dense lecture notes into your notebook. From there, you can easily jump over to NotebookLM to generate a cinematic video overview that quickly summarizes those exact notes. Then, the very next day, you can open up Gemini to draft an essay outline. But here's the crucial part. You're using that exact same preserved material. You don't have to upload anything twice because all of your context is already right there. This kind of memory is absolutely incredible for students. You can set a custom instruction, something like, I'm a second-year biology student. Gemini will remember that exact context and tailor its responses across every single chat within that specific notebook. For freelancers, this completely accelerates how fast you can execute. You can gather extensive competitor research in NotebookLM and then seamlessly turn that data into an interactive dashboard for a client pitch, and you can do all of that in just a matter of minutes. What's really interesting is that you never lose your past efforts. You can actually retroactively pull old research chats right into a brand new notebook using the overflow menu. This ensures all your past work is preserved and neatly organized for the future. You can move from scattered notes to a working interface in 3 very fast steps. First, build your notebook. Second, select it from the attachments menu in Gemini. And third, open Gemini Canvas to start building. When you open Gemini Canvas and ask for a study dashboard, it uses your specific notebook as grounded context. This means it relies heavily on your uploaded facts, instead of just pulling from generic AI training data out on the web. This is a major breakthrough. When you feed Gemini your competitor research notes for a one-page summary, the AI finally respects the strict boundaries of your notebook. It stays locked onto your data and gives you a highly targeted working interface. However, this incredible convenience does come with a cost. There is a significant catch buried in how this system works, and it changes who can actually use these tools right now. Let's look at the limitations. The plain fact is that as of April 2026, this powerful integration is strictly locked behind a paywall. To use this seamless sync, you absolutely must be a web subscriber to either Google AI Ultra, Pro, or Plus. If you're currently on the free tier, you're unfortunately locked out of this sync entirely. Access is planned for free users later this year, but be aware that it will likely come with heavily reduced source limits. There's also a major technical hurdle you need to understand. Gemini Canvas performs best with highly structured data like CSV files and data tables. If you simply input unstructured, messy text notes, your results will often come out generic and unhelpful. Another current roadblock is collaboration. If you create a highly tuned notebook environment inside Gemini, you cannot share that specific chat workspace with a team yet. It remains a purely individual workspace for now. Let's shift our focus to where this entire ecosystem is moving. It's crucial to separate what Google has officially confirmed from what the community is actively speculating about. Let's start with the hard facts. Google has officially confirmed that mobile access and European expansion are indeed rolling out. You can expect to see these features become available in those regions in the weeks immediately following the initial April launch. We're also seeing very strong signals that personal preferences are coming to NotebookLM. This update will let the tool build editable personas. It will adjust its answers based on your specific technical depth and your unique learning style.
On the speculation side, there are heavy discussions happening about the free tier. The community is questioning if that rollout will actually happen on schedule, and whether those source limits will simply be too tight for anyone doing heavy, meaningful research.
So, to summarize the big picture, while many assume these platforms are merging into one single app, they aren't. NotebookLM remains the ultimate vault for deep study and preservation. Meanwhile, Gemini with Canvas acts as your powerful engine for active execution. Which workflow feels more essential to your day-to-day? A vault that perfectly preserves your research, or a builder that turns that knowledge into a working tool? Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.